Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Merry Christmas to you, all my fans. Okay, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Okay. In today's video, I wanna cook fried rice. Okay, this is what we wanna eat for Christmas. Okay. Thank you for supporting me by saying by me, and please do not forget to follow me. Follow my page, guys. If you are interested in skincare tips, follow me on my business page. Okay, that is when we're gonna discuss everything about skincare, how to take care of your skin, to avoid damage. Okay, etc. Let me show you what we're gonna cook for Christmas. You guys see my Christmas food. I want to cook fried rice. Okay, there's no light. This is my fried rice. Guys, this is my ingredient for fried rice. Can you guys see it? Okay, this one I want to use to cook my fried rice. Okay, my liver and kidney. Okay, thank you guys. Let's go there. Yes, guys, our fried rice is ready. You come and eat with us. Christmas is yes, so we are using cow meat and goat meat. Okay, I have to cook the cow meat first, like 10 to 15 minutes before I add my goat meat. Yes, guys, I'm adding my goat meat because my kids say that they want to eat goat meat. The goat meat is not even hard. It's not hard. It's very soft. That is why I have to cook the cow meat first before I add my goat meat. Okay, I have to go and buy goat for them. Okay, to just Christmas don dey go. May God give us strength to see next year. In Jesus' name. Oh. Thank you guys for your support and God bless you. Happy Merry Christmas. I want to use it for sauce. I use part of it for sauce because my children say they want to chop it in pepper sauce. I have to do it like this so that I will serve it with the fried rice. It looks so delicious and yummy. Our salad is, oh, this is our salad, okay. What my children request, I cook for them. Oh, they say they want to eat salad. Christmas food already. Oh, come and eat with us. Merry Christmas.
There's nothing too.
I've not.
Not teach anything.
Christmas food already. Oh. I thought na him bad. Oh. Christmas food already. She do.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.